Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video is about how to fix error in VLOOKUP and index match function. This is the order number and simply lookup value. So construct formula VLOOKUP, lookup value. It should be start with first column of array. So full give range, comma, we want sixth column, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, enter. There are some cases which is not coming here. There is some error, maybe a space. If I clear space, automatically it will come. But manually we cannot do that. So simply you just try with in range, just put trim, bracket open and bracket close here. Make sure that Control Shift Enter. That's all. The same way we can able to do with index match function also. There may be some issue with space. Index, just give price, comma. There are multiple items are there. So match. One is ID, another one is paper, comma, trim. Just give range, bracket close, ampersand. Just select items, Control Shift Enter. You can solve the space issue by inserting trim with index match or VLOOKUP formula. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.